And many of you are probably waking up with a cup of coffee right now.
Great morning for it. We are live at the place to find a great cup of coffee. Elishah Oesch is live at the cafe at Christopher David in Northwest Portland with more on brewing the perfect cup this morning. Hi, Elishah.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yes, I am enjoying so much great coffee this morning. Of course, as everybody at the station says, I have a little coffee with my cream. Obviously, you can see why they say that. This cafe is actually right in the Jamison Park area, so it's one of the many stops that Lora actually makes on her coffee tour. Good morning to you again.
Good morning.
So let's talk a little bit about the different kinds of brews we have here, because when we're talking about coffee, there are a lot of different options, as we know, here in Portland. What are we looking at?
This is a brew method demo, and it's something that we do on all our coffee tours, where we're taking the same coffee, which happens to be a Water Avenue Brazilian single origin micro lot coffee.
That's a big word.
Okay, we're geeking out here. But we've brewed it 3 different ways. So the first one is a French press, which is going to give you a very heavy mouthfeel. If you take a look at the coffee, you can see that it's not very transparent. There's a lot of stuff going on in there.
So my question would be, as we're looking at the other ones here, because I find this fascinating, I'll geek out with you. What actually makes these better, worse, different? What is that?
It's all personal preference. It's not better or worse. This is just a different way to brew it, and it uses a fine mesh screen to filter out the particulates, but it leaves a lot of the oils suspended in the coffee. This one is a pour-over method. It's called the Kalita Wave, and it gives a much more transparent cup of coffee. It's going to be more similar to what you might do as a drip brew at home. And the final one is a Chemex, which uses a double bonded heavy paper filter that will filter out a lot of the particulates, a lot of the oils, and it'll give you a very clean, almost tea-like body to your coffee.
Well, as we all know, I'm a tea drinker, so I'm going to have to try that. You're right, it's a lot lighter kind of a tea thing with that. Very cool.
But it's
awesome.
all the same caffeine, everything. You're not losing out on anything. It's just a different mouthfeel.
I love that. Okay, so this is one of the many things that you're going to get to see on the tour, actually. So I want to let you know how you can actually get involved in that. There is a tour going on today. This is Third Wave Coffee Tours. It actually starts at the Red E Cafe, and that's at 721 Northwest 9th Avenue in Portland. It is happening today, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And of course, I've got more information on KOIN.com that you can look at, but Lora herself takes you on all these tours. You get to see all these great different places, a lot of fun, and of course, a lot of coffee. So get ready for some caffeine, Mike and Carly. I'm bouncing off the walls.
Yeah, she's going to be wired. That's what Sally was saying.
Great morning for a great steaming cup of coffee. All right, and Sally, it's plenty cold out there, so she's in good company.